I like to play around in that little foresty area over there a lot, but I tried some of these things and I actually think they're quite nice. So yeah. Also, the floss is back in the air. For those of you who don't know, I killed my receiver, so I had to wait for a new one. I have an RXSR in the floss now. That receiver is good because now I can have telemetry. So now I know my RSSI when I go behind buildings, whatever. I also have a new antenna because I destroyed my Foxy Pagoda. So now I'm running a Strix Hoot. So far, the video was good on my first flight. I did have a crash. I got my floss real muddy, but I cleaned it off. All I have to say is Merry Christmas, enjoy the video, and have fun.